Hello guys. In the previous section we have learned about the binary classification in which there are just two possible value. But sometimes we need to select the one option from the multiple options. In this section we will learn about multiclass classification. It involves the classification from the more than two classes. Like the binary classification, it is a supervised learning. Multiclass classification is a just multiple binary classification. It internally categorizes into transformation to binary or extension from the binary or the hierarchical classification. An example of the multiclass classification includes the image classification, using which we can determine whether the object in the image is apple, banana, or the pineapple. Another example is the assign the certificate to the video based on the content. Means it's restricted to the adult, allow for the child with the parent guide, or it's unrestricted. Like multi-class classification, there are another classification named multi-label classification. In the multi-label, we are assigning the multiple labels based on the content. The best example for this is assigning the tag to the video or the image automatically based on the content. Microsoft created the bot on the GitHub that will assign the label to the issue based on the title and the description that user has provided. There are various kind of algorithm for multi-class classification, such as one versus race, one versus one, neural network, extreme learning machine, k-nearest neighbors, neo-Bayes, decision tree, support vector machine, etc. Here are the popular trainer for the multi-class classifier. Image classification, LBFGS maximum entropy, light GBM, neo-Bayes, one versus all, pairwise coupling, SDCA maximum entropy, and SDGA non-calibrated. Again, you can read more about those algorithms and how those are working on the Wikipedia or somewhere else. Stay tuned for the next session.